For the collision, I really liked that I can use Unity's collision system by default. So the player just uses a capsule collider and the terrain for the each mesh. Like, this is my favorite part. Look at this. I can go inside the scene and let's increase this. Yeah, I can go inside the scene. Let's focus the player. And here I'm inside of the world, inside of the game world. This is my favorite part of Unity. And here I can even inspect a single subchunk. I can see its coordinates because I've set its name to be its coordinates. And I can go here, I can look at its mesh renderer. I can look at its mesh. This is the mesh that has generated for that subchunk. This is so cool to look at. I can inspect the mesh. I can even set here like UV checker. I can UV layout. I can do whatever I want. Shading. What else? I can add or remove the wireframe. I can look at how many vertices it is, how many indices. What else can I look at? Yes, it's this my favorite part of Unity, to be able to look at all of these things. And I can actually make changes here. That's really cool. And here is the collider. I'm using a mesh collider, and a mesh collider is making the whole, like the mesh itself is the collider, and it did that automatically. And I didn't have to bother writing any collision. That was super. That was very helpful.